The end is coming.
Bye, Moon Blossom!
We have one more night on this boat, out on the water, that is. By now we've sailed about 950-ish nautical miles, and if you've been with us the whole way, thank you so much for your support. Now, if you're just hopping aboard, hey, I'm Melina, I'm 22, I love traveling and going on little adventures, and you should probably go check out the last few videos of my summer in the Caribbean here. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you enjoyed this video. Now let's go for an afternoon paddle here at Cat Cay. So we just got to Cat Cay and we are anchored. I saw a turtle. On the way here. Turtle! Oh my god, there's a turtle!
Turtle! Oh my god, there's a turtle!
There's a ton of turtle grass. And maybe it kind of looks like a sea urchin or something. Oh my god. So we made it back to the boat and there's a whole pot of veggies, some rice maybe, some fish, some steak. This was a really nice paddleboard seeing the barracuda follow us, the ray, and there's so many freaking sand dollars. I hope I got some in the footage I recorded, but there was a lot. I don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave. Hello, today is, I'm gonna call it docking day. So we are just about maybe an hour or so outside of Miami and we are about to go dock at Key Biscayne, and that's the end of my boat delivery. Yeah, so we've just about finished the boat delivery to Miami, so it's safe for the hurricane season. It was a good experience. I had a lot of fun. During the 5-day passage straight at sea was hard, for sure. It was just hard to stay awake and go to sleep, and because it was hot, and I did get a bit seasick at times, but it wasn't like I threw up or anything like that, just a little nauseous. But overall, I really had a lot of fun. I enjoyed getting to know Captain Jamie more and just having a good time. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you outside, show you what we can see of Miami right now, and then we'll go ahead and dock and clean up the boat, fly home back to my kitty cat, Skitty.
Lock the door and try and get that fended. Can that power a little bit? Just hang on. Go.
keep it off. Good.
You want me to clean it off? You want to go back up there?
Yeah, just keep it a little bit slack. Okay, hang on, wait. Tide is going to rise. So yeah, leave it a little bit slack. We'll
So I don't know if I updated after we docked. We got to Key Biscayne at the big boss's house. So yeah, we had some Chinese food for dinner. It was really good. We got some shrimps and some tofu, some vegetables, some fried rice. It was really yummy. We're gonna stay on the boat one more night tonight, and then we fly out Saturday to go home. So yeah, tomorrow night we'll go stay in a hotel. Captain Jamie's wife comes home tomorrow, Miss Thea, and so we'll go stay in a hotel tomorrow night, and then we'll be off. So on to the next thing, which currently I have no clue what that is. No clue what my next trip is. There's a spider right here. I guess it's time to go to bed. Let me show you this. I thought about this. Even though there's no CMs and mosquitoes out here because we're on water, the water's not crystal clear like the Bahamas. These trees are like all mangroves. So I'm thinking, I wanted to think about coming out here, putting like my towel I brought down and having a little movie night. Like, do I want to get eaten by mosquitoes and no CMs, you know, like. Okay, so it's boat tour time. I'm gonna show you my room really quickly and then the rest of the boat really quickly because I don't have a lot of time to do it. So welcome to the really quick boat tour of this Leopard 50. Okay, this is my room. So this is my bed area. It has two little areas where you can set your things. And then there's a charging port right over here. And yeah, this is a really comfy bed, honestly. I really like it. And then there's some drawers down here where I just like put my packing cubes. And like, you know, these lock, so when you're sailing, nothing flies everywhere. And then we've got these over here, just some little shelves for organization. Okay, and then there's all these steps as well, I forgot to say. There's the AC, and then there's the AC controls. Here's the closet, and then there's a full-length mirror. Here's my bathroom. So there's a towel hanging thing. This area is the shower, then the sink. There's storage under here, toilet, plug, the big mirror, and then there is, this doesn't open right here, this side, but this, you have two shelves to put your things. And that is basically my whole room. It's pretty small, but it's really comfortable, honestly. Like, it's a boat cabin, so it's gonna be small, but I really enjoyed it. It was really nice being in here. Can you hear me in there? Okay, and this is the galley right up here. See, my stairs are right here. These are my stairs. But this is the galley. It is basically the kitchen. It's not called a kitchen, but it is basically the kitchen and kind of like a living room area. Yep, and then over here, the nav station and an ice maker. This table like folds out all fancy and stuff. The stove, some fridges, the sink. This opens and this opens. So we'll go out there next. Okay, and this is the cockpit. When you're on sail, you want to be out somewhere. This is a good place to be. Then there's this area to sit too, which the first day I slept there during sail. There's the dinghy. Then really quickly, up here is the helm. You come up these stairs right here. You've got this, shows you the wind. This is how much you're going, and this is how much wind there is and what angle it's coming from, and then that's the depth. This one is your latitude and longitude, and I think it also has the wind on it. This one is the angle you're going at. You can add like plus 10 degrees, minus 10 degrees, 1, whatever. And then you can use it for a lot of things. Like if you go home, there's like a bunch of different options to have on the screen, but we used it for just the chart. And so you can zoom out and show you how many nautical miles everything is away, and then show you this is like the wind and the direction it's coming from, different boats, and you can click on them. Then you got your helm light, it's just a red light. Then you got your radio, obviously the wheel. Up here there's all of the what's the word? Oh, I don't know what they're called. I'm sorry. That's such a shame, but yeah. Okay, now for the outside of the boat. Then you come up these steps right here. You have these really nice seating area that you can come sit up. It's called the Star Deck. And then there's also these pads right here you can lay on. We came up here a few times for the evening after we ate dinner and when we ate dinner to watch the sunset and see the stars. Obviously there's your mainsail. Over here is the Genoa. You got all your hatches and everything too. This area, which under all these pads, there's little compartments. One of them has the anchor, the generator, some storage. I'm not sure what's in this one though. I never looked in that one. Trampoline obviously. Then it has these seats that you can sit on and look at the ocean. That's where I sat when we saw the dolphins that first or second day. Same on the other side. And then it also has solar panels and then these handles. So when you are on sail, you're supposed to keep 3 points of contact on the boat so you can not fall off the boat. Yeah, you got all your rigging systems up here so you can control everything from the helm. Then he also got Starlink recently, so there's Starlink on the boat. Come down these steps. There's the swimming ladder, and that's pretty much the whole boat tour. I mean, on this sugar scoop, these, where that swimming ladder was, are called sugar scoops. Yeah, there's not much on this one. That's pretty much it. There's a barbecue. Basically everything that's a seat most likely is a compartment, so there's a lot of storage. There's 3 fridges and 1 ice maker. Yeah, that's basically the boat tour. I hope that was really quick. I didn't have a lot of time. Now I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. Thank you for joining me. Now it is time to pack up my bag, so cue the time lapse. Bye, Moon Blossom! You want help? Now it's hot! Their mailbox. It's a dog. So now we're at the Miami airport, getting ready to go home to Dallas. We leave at like 11:45 or something like that, and then we'll be home to Dallas. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share with your friends. See you next time.
Next time on Melina Travels. Welcome to a day in my life skiing with a sprained ankle. So yeah, if you couldn't tell, my 2 favorite things are the ocean or any body of water and skiing. So I'll be spending a week at Kirkwood Ski Resort in California, south of Lake Tahoe.